Okay, here we are in Design Space, and let's look at how easy it is to use the offset feature. So we're going to grab some shapes. I'm going to grab a star for today and dragging it to the center. I'm going to get rid of my grids by clicking once on the upper left corner. I'm going to change my screen color to gray today. And I'm going to add an offset to the star. So what we do when your star is highlighted or clicked on, go ahead and click on the offset button. And you'll notice that it is working to get your offset outline or shadow on the star. You can either apply it at that point, or you can change the thickness of the offset by dragging the little circle to the right to make it thicker, or to the left to make it thinner. And also you can change your numbers. I like working with 0.125, so I'm going to change that today at 125 and click enter, and it changes the thickness or makes it thinner, which I have done, and I will apply that offset to the star by clicking apply, and it automatically makes it black. You can change the color of your offset, and I like to work with white. So there you are, and now I have one completed. If you are going to make, let's hit the backspace button. If you're going to make stickers, you will need to change everything to a print and cut standard. So the star is print and cut, and also your offset will need to be changed to print and cut standard. And now you have both of those, print and cut, but you need to select both of them by dragging a box around them, and you'll need to attach. And you'll need to flatten. Now you are ready to print and cut one sticker. So when we click on the Make It button, it will bring up your mats that you can use to make the project. And so now it is a print and cut, and when you click continue, it will ask you to send it to printer.